Have you ever imagined simulating the entire 2026 World Cup before it even begins? In this video, I'm going to show you a completed 2026 World Cup simulator developed in Excel, where you can test different scenarios, define standings, and discover possible matchups all the way to the final. If you'd like to get this simulator, the link is available in the video description. So how does spreadsheet work? By purchasing the simulator, you have access to the model exactly like the one I'm showing here. The spreadsheet is organized into three main tabs: Instructions, Groups, and Knockout Stage. In the Instructions tab, you find all the information needed to use the spreadsheet correctly. I recommend reading these instructions before you start, as they will help you quickly understand how the entire simulator works. Now let's go to the Groups tab. Here you'll find the 12 World Cup groups. The first step is to define which teams will qualify through the repechage. I will select a few examples just for demonstration. Notice that when I do this, the spreadsheet automatically fills the name and the flag of each team. Make the process much easier. After that, the next step is to simulating the group standings. To do this, simply define the final position of each team, from 1st to 4th place. Once all groups are defined, notice that here on the side we have the rank of the 3rd place teams. At this point, you must order these teams according to their performance, defining the final position from 1st to 12th place. And that's it. We will have defined all the teams qualified for the round of 32. Now, next step is to access the Knockout Stage tab. Notice that the round of 32 matchups are already automatically defined according to the official FIFA rules. From here, the process is simple. All you need to do is select which team advances to the next round. As you make your selections, the spreadsheet automatically updates the following matchups. This way you can simulate different knockout scenarios following each stage of the tournament all the way to the World Cup final. When you purchase the simulator, we will receive two versions of the spreadsheet, one for Microsoft Excel and another for Google Sheets, exactly like this one I'm demonstrating. In addition, the spreadsheet is 100% editable, allowing you to customize colors, text, and other elements in any way you prefer. So this is the World Cup simulator, an ideal tool for anyone who enjoys following the matches, analyzing scenarios, and simulating possible matchups throughout the tournament. If you'd like to get this template, simply access the link available in the video description. See you next time!